Halo, oh, saya kira cuma untuk online. Waduh. Uh, Thank you very much for Ibu Dwi inviting me here. And there are two things that I would like to present today. First, my experience in teaching in English, and I would like to present my subject, one of my subjects. I hope in 20 minutes it will be finished. Okay, this is my subject. What? This is my subject. Yang mana nih? Maju. Ini. Okay. First, my experience in teaching English. Not teaching English, teaching in English. Okay. I use textbooks. This is the key point. Textbook. Yeah. As the main source of teaching must be available for student. This supports student at study at home. This is the most important thing because students do not want to buy a book. Very expensive. The book is this thick. So I found a book online. It is useful books, even though it is about dating. Okay. I deliver it mostly in Bahasas actually, but I know it's difficult to speak English to my students. Teaching mostly describe my term, encourage students to use Google Translate if they don't understand. Okay, this is what I did. Students are obligated to memorize mind terms. What is that? I would like to say that later. Students answer the question related to the term the next class. So they have to memorize 4 or 5 terms. Next class is I will ask them for description next time. Evaluation every end of class. Most quiz is done in after class, multiple choice of course, because this is available in our e-learning applications. Quiz is in English and the answer must be found in the textbook. So this textbook, a student must hold the textbook. Most quiz will be repeated in midterm and final exams. This is the most important thing because they want to learn, because students know that the question in midterm test will be the same with the quiz, not mostly the same. Next, case study exams is derived from textbooks. Student may answer in Bahasa or in English. If if student answer in English, I give them here incentive bonus. Okay, some students hate this bad thing. For those who do not have a good English, they are reluctant to protest because textbook is provided for free. Why you protest? Textbooks, indeed, this is the problem. I would like to buy a new one, but the cost is so high. Never been surveyed for student. I don't I don't know whether the student like or not. But most students said Mr. Quiz. Ali is Mr. Quiz. There are 2 subjects now. Every subject say that, oh, dosen quiz nih. Okay. Good thing, average final grades B, mostly above B, some students get lower. If a lecture, this is my suggestions, if a lecture of a study program use these methods, then there is no English lesson. I'm sorry. They, they are automatically learning English. The bonus is they got higher TOEICs. Okay, that's my experience. And now I'm going to teach you something. Uh, I'm going to teach you revenue cycle. We focus here. revenue cycles in accounting system. And the expenditure cycle, production cycle, human resource general ledger will be teach next time. Okay, learning objective. Okay, in short, I say you have to say to explain this: sales order entry, shipping, billing, cash collection. These four terms you must memorize for the whole life. Why? Because you will face in your life about this. If you go to Shopee, you fill in this one. You do this. Shopee do this. Billing process. If you buy something in Shopee or Tokopedia, you will face this process. That's why I say you have to memorize these four terms and will be useful for your life. Okay, what is revenue cycle? This is the key. A recurring set of business activities. Yeah, recurring set of business activities. All the process will be repeated again and again and again. That's why this process is automatically now. This process is processed by computer. Okay, external party. The primary external exchange of information is customer, and then internal parties. This is a companies, materials, inventory, meet demands, inventory meet demand, bonuses, and prefer financial performance. This is for a company. Revenue cycle objective is, this is the key, provide right product in the right place, at in the right time and right price. This is the purpose of selling something in onlinely, especially. And what is management key decisions when a company is selling something? This is to what extent can and should product be customized to individual customers? How much inventory should be carried? How should merchandise will be delivered to customer? And what are the optimal price for each product and service? Should credit be extended to customer? How can customer payment be processed to maximize cash flow? This is a point of view company. And then this is the 4 point that you must memorize. At the end of this presentation, I will ask you whether you remember this or not. 4 things. Okay? Sales order entry, shipping, billing, cash collections. This is if you selling something anywhere, any place or anytime, you have to follow this either online, either or not online, either in your small business, either your personal self, you have to follow this. This is the diagrams. What happened when you buy something on a store? Customer inquiries something to revenue cycle. This is company. Company then reply with respond to the inquiries. This is happen. When you open Shopee, you must inquiry first and then you fill orders. Orders then by revenue cycle will be invoices and revenue cycle will send the product you bought, sending bill of lading and packing slip. And revenue cycle, this one company send the product to the customer. This is happen in revenue cycle. So this is the end of my presentations. Could you please mention four main activities in revenue cycle? Four.
Shipping, billing,
Shipping, billing, sales order, cash collection. Yeah. You like cash collection?
yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.